Hey team, I just wanted to share with you some of my justifications for my design. So let's get into it. First, I want to start off by saying I have an analogous color scheme going on here, which is essentially 3 different shades next to each other on a color wheel. As you can tell, I have reds, pinks, and some oranges within my infographic. And I use these because reds kind of stand out and they made a nice contrast with the white, while the pinks and the oranges are sort of a lighter shade and a lighter color, so they blend in well with the white, giving the reds more of a contrast to stick out from, which I felt was necessary because it's about women in computer science, and usually the subject should deserve all the attention. Up in here we have fonts. So with these fonts I kept them pretty much the same, although in these more focal pointed statistics I actually utilized a different font called Babus New, which is usually used in design for some of those headers and more important data deserving of attention. I also utilized a lot of alignment within my infographic. So here we have edge, which keeps that nice and tucked away in the corner. Over here we have horizontal alignment, which keeps that squished but also leaves it available for a bold statement. Over here I also have edge, as you can see, and I similarly use horizontal alignment and vertical alignment. So I kind of just keep this tucked into a nice little rectangle here, using these small little designs to keep that edge alignment. And down here I have 11% as a focal point and a visual hierarchy, making it more dominant than the subdominant text below it. And I also utilize the same over here with the 440K. I also bolded it and made it dark red to make it contrast and stick out from the others. And within this little block I also have proximity, which keeps these texts sort of together, and it shows the viewer that they're similar. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching.